All right, so the first thing we want to do for this problem is get a picture so we can visualize what the problem is, and then figure out what information we're given and what we need to find. So since here the problem states the base um, is 4 centimeters greater than twice the height, um, and the area is 80 centimeters. I just want to draw out a triangle and label those variables. So here we have our base x and then our height h. And then the information we're given is our base x is going to be 4 centimeters greater than twice the height. And then also our area A is 80. And what the problem asks for is to find the length of the base. So the first thing we want to do is use this piece of information that we have. So we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So that's 1/2 x times h. And then since we already have an equation for x, we're going to plug that equation into x right here. And then after that, we're just going to distribute the h and distribute the 1/2. So here we have 2h plus h squared is equal to 80, which is the area given. And then since this is a quadratic, we want to make it look, put it into standard form. And then from there, we want to find what our factors are. And if it can't be factored, we want to use the quadratic formula. So in this case, it can be factored to h minus 8 and h plus 10. And then this gives us two answers, h equals 8 and then h equals minus 10. But since we can't have a negative height, we're only going to use the h is equal to 8 answer. So now that we have our height, we can go back to this equation for our base and substitute in the height. And that will give us our final answer of our base equal to 20.